Hello there, today we'll be doing Rain Catcher. You are given a list of non-negative integers, nums, where each element represents the height of a hill. Suppose it will rain and all the spaces between two sides get filled up. Return the amount of rainwater that will be caught between the hills. In this problem, we are given an array of levels. So we have 2, 5, 2, 0, 5, 5, 8, 8. I have drawn an amount here. And the output is 8 because you can see that in row number 2 we get 3 buckets of water, and row number 3 we get 5 buckets, totaling 8. You might be wondering, how do we get a total of 8? What we can see here is if we look in between of the leftmost tallest item and the rightmost tallest item, we see that the minimum of that is 5, because the tallest item from the right side is 8 and the minimum is 5, so we get a 3 item here. And in this particular place, the leftmost highest item is also a 5 and the rightmost highest item is an 8, so we get a total of 5, leading us to get a total of 8 buckets of water. So if we look at, so we collect the left max from left all the way to the right, and the right max going from the right to the left. We have left max and right max. And taking into account our level, we can do this in number method. So we have, so the left max is basically, and right max is essentially left max. So we just have to copy left max numbers down here and take the level and put it down here, and subtract the numbers and get our total of 8. And that should be all for this particular problem. So we're gonna do this in O of n space because of the two brand new arrays that we're gonna create, and O of n time. So we're gonna do this loop 3 times. So join the room. So let's just, there we go. L max is going to be equal to empty array, R max equals empty array. Then let's fill in the L max, and for I in nums, for num in nums, L max is equal to the max of L max and num. The previous item. Better idea. Current max is equal to nums 0 So that fills in the left max, and we're going to fill in the right max now. Actually, we can just do the enumeration of nums -1. So that goes in reverse. And also we can set that as the negative of I. I think that should do it. So total is going to plus equals the left max min of left max I and right max of I minus the nums at I. Return the total. Oh, we can't do that. Ah, wait, one more thing. Whoops. Run that. Ooh, out of range. Oh, we have an error here. And we have a solution. So it worked out as described in the drawing, but we can probably simplify this to get a O of 1 space by using pointers. We're gonna do that in part 2, so stick around for that. I'll link it in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.